Hello Mr. Sheikh, it's Jack over at Anchor Cars Tadley, just making the video for you of our Hyundai Santa Fe. I've just got it clean, so we're going to be doing the full photography for it tomorrow. I'll walk you around the car quickly so you've got a brief overview of its condition. Like I said, it's only literally just arrived with us a few hours ago. We've not done any of our preparation on it yet, just got it clean so far. Overall, looking at the front to start with, it's all in a good condition. You can see the alloys moving along to the side profile of the car. Again, all seems to be in a good condition. If we look round to the rear as well, I'm happy with everything over here. Just unlock the boot. You do have a reversing camera on this model. Of course, it's the 7-seater version as well, so that would obviously just come up nice and easily. The parcel load cover does fit nicely under there, so you can store it under there as well. Looks like you've also got the upgraded speakers in this one. You've got adjustable air vents for your passengers in the rear as well. Continue looking around. On this side, everything seems to be in a good condition with regards to the bodywork. Car cleaned up really nicely, to be fair. We jump into the back. Again, all the seats in here seem to be in a really nice condition. They fold down flat, so it's nice and easy to get in.